Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing my recently purchased bag, which is Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis in the canvas monogram. Here's the bag. So I'm very excited that I got this bag. As you may know, it's kind of hard to get the hands on it. So I had two attempts of getting the bag. So I thought that since it's available online, then it's going to be available in all the stores. So I went to the local LV store and I asked for the canvas monogram especially. Sales assistant told me that they don't have it in the canvas monogram, they only have it in the leather. He also showed me the Pochette Métis in leather in the color beige, I think it was. So I really like the bag, I like the color, but since I want to get it in the monogram, I stuck to that and asked him whether I can get it in the store, maybe in some other days. What sales assistant told me is to come during the week. He also gave me his business card and told me to call before coming to the store so I know exactly whether it's going to be available or not. So that's exactly what I did. I called on Monday. I asked if they have the Pochette Métis monogram and they told me they'd have it in only one store on Paseo de Gracia in Barcelona. So we were in the queue and the lady before us was looking at the same exact bag, so I was very nervous about that because, as I mentioned, I called them and they told me that only few items are available and it was in the morning, so by the evening I thought it's gonna get sold out. They will have some, maybe one bag available, and the lady before me was looking at this exact bag. So yeah, luckily for me, they had another bag in the same monogram. So once they showed me the bag, I instantly got it. So you can see here, I already put on this strap. From the back you have this zipper pocket, which is very comfortable to put your phone in it. Inside you have 3 compartments. You have 2 big compartments and a little compartment here. The bag is full and I will actually show you what's in my bag. So let's start. In the first compartment I have, of course in the first compartment I have my mask, which is very essential nowadays, as you know, and especially in Catalonia. If you're not wearing a mask on the street, you're gonna get fined, and it's very serious. And actually on Friday I'm going to the gym and my trainer asked me to wear a mask, so you cannot even work out without a mask. This is crazy. Moving on, I have my AirPods. I bought this case from AliExpress. This is the charger. Then I have my wallet. This is the Prada wallet. It's kind of dirty. Then I have my gum. I'm not sure if you have it outside Spain. I never saw it. So if you do, let me know. I really like it, especially the watermelon and the sweet mint. It's very good. So then I have my sunglasses from Celine. They're old. I bought them like I think 2 or 1 year ago, 1.5 years ago. And it's actually also in my foundation. Of course, you have to have it. This hand sanitizer, essential thing. Huda Beauty Wifey Liquid Matte Lipstick. It's very good. And it smells like a cupcake. So that's it. It's empty now. And actually what I noticed is this bag is empty. It's super hard to close it. It's very hard to close. Okay, so this is the bag, this is the review. I will also insert some clips of me wearing the bag so you can see how it fits on the body, and yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up. I will see you all in my next video.